How to change your email address on LinkedIn. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So changing your email on LinkedIn helps you stay connected, especially if you're switching jobs or upgrading to a more professional addresses. So here's how you can do it. For that, open up any browser in your PC and then in the search bar search for linkedin.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you log into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on the Me icon, then simply tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, go ahead and tap on Sign In and Security, and just like so, go ahead and simply select Email Addresses. And then inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on Add Email Address, and just like so, a verification code will be sent to you on your old email address. You want to go ahead and type in the code, and once done, tap on Submit. Just like so, you want to go ahead and enter a new email address and then enter your LinkedIn password. Once done, tap on Submit, and once your email is verified, you want to go ahead and simply click Make Primary next to your new email to set it as your main login or contact email. And just like that, once the new email has been added, you can remove your old email by clicking on the trash icon. And that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.